We're in the Balkan Mountains, at one of the many locations in Bulgaria offering organic food. Homemade cheeses? Kapama? It really is difficult to choose. Stay with us for breakfast. We will make a pie which is delicious in combination with yogurt. Yogurt and white brine cheese are fundamental for traditional Bulgarian cuisine. Yogurt is proven as quite beneficial for human health. I will tell you a secret. Bulgarian yogurt is the reason for longevity.